Helix Operations supplies work-at-height equipment to the defence and the rescue markets. We currently export to 54 countries. Working with the Welsh Government has really made exporting easier for us, and they've also helped us grow faster than we thought we would be able to. Turnover is set to double this year, and that is largely due to increased export business. We already have over £11 million of projected export sales for the next year. Visiting markets is absolutely key. It's the only way you can learn about that market, meet the people, establish the relationships and build the trust that is really important. Welsh Government help is important in understanding the local bureaucratic processes, in helping you manage the export paperwork, in complying with export regulations. It's significant help. I can say categorically that Welsh Government support has significantly helped our export growth and has made that journey easier.